In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the latest Crate Club subscription box. This is the General Edition. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, as I said, we're going to take a look at the Crate Club General today, and I'm not showing the box because the box is just plain brown box, so I would show you this instead. And if you're not familiar with Crate Club, it is a subscription service that offers quarterly boxes, and they've got several different levels. This again is the general level. I'll put a link in the video description below where you can check it out and find out all the details, because I'm just going to show you what is in this box right after this word from my friends at ClickBelts. This video is sponsored by my friends at clickbelts.com, where you can save 15% by using the coupon code SOP15 at checkout. ClickBelts feature genuine Cobra buckles, and they are sewn right here in the USA in the great state of Texas. They've even got the really cool TSA-friendly poly Cobra buckle now. So if you're looking for a very, very strong, very cool belt, I encourage you to check out the folks at clickbelts.com. Don't forget, use the coupon code SOP15 to save 15%. Okay, well, I got to give a big thanks again to the folks at ClickBelts for being the longest running channel sponsor here at Survival on Purpose. And they're also just really good folks out there in Texas. So again, if you are looking for a really great belt, you cannot go wrong with ClickBelts. So let's take a look at what is in this latest Crate Club. And again, this is the general version. I think every different version has different stuff in it. So we'll just see what's in it. We'll just, however it comes out in whatever order is what we're going to look at. So first of all, there's some really fancy looking box from the folks at Half Breed Blades. Let's see, I got to get my book out here where I can see what's what. Make sure we're recording. So this one is a pretty nice box. Let's see if we can open it. Yeah, here we go. Man, it's a real fancy box. It kind of looks like some Japanese looking stuff there maybe, but let's see. Okay, and it's got a, shall we open this? Well, let's see. Here's the knife first of all. And wow, it's kind of a little stabby with a little funky handle on it, but it actually, when I picked this up, it feels really good in my hand. I was surprised. You never know when you pick up a knife. Sometimes you pick one up and they just feel good, right? This one feels good. It really does. It's kind of a little self-defense knife. Oh, and it's got underneath here, it's got a nice little friction fit sheath. It's got some like a little band around it with a a little clip to maybe go on like on a molly strap, or it has also a kind of a push button clips there that goes on your belt, or you can strap it around however you want to. So that's pretty cool. Should I do a redneck sharp test? Let's just see. Oh my God, yeah, it's sharp. Wow, yeah. You can tell, you can just tell. So that being said, it's got this fancy sealed envelope. You want to see what's in here? Let's see what's in here. Try not to cut much for this, because if it's a self-defense blade, that's all I want to use it for. I want to keep it really, really sharp. And it is a self-defense blade. And it does feel, man, this little grip here, I don't know if you can even see that, but it just feels, I'm surprised it feels so good. And then inside here, oh, look, there's all kinds of cool stuff in here. There's a little patch with Velcro on it. And there's a business card. And there's a sticker. And the warranty is a lifetime replacement warranty against material failure. This is the compact clearance knife. And the blade steel is K110D2, a Teflon coated spear point. It's a 2.95 inch blade with a 0.23 inch thickness, G10 handles, and this weight is 1.41 ounces. 5.82 ounces. And then it has a belt and a Pals Molly mounting. So that's pretty cool, I think. So anyway, we'll put all this back together in here now and see what's next. But I gotta say, I'm digging the knife, okay? Really. Have I made that clear? So let's see what's next. I don't want to get all hung up on one thing. There's other stuff in here. Speaking of other stuff, one of my favorite companies, Leatherman. Let's see what's in the Leatherman box. Oh, we got a We got to have this knife. I know I said I don't want to cut stuff with it, but I like cutting stuff with it. So anyway, okay, so this is some Leatherman Raptors. Pretty cool. These are the EMT, foldable EMT shears, and really nice there. They've also got a little glass breaker here. They have a belt clip here. Let's see, I think we have to push this button to fold them back up. And push this button to fold this one back up. And then also have a strap cutter here that locks open. So you could just clip this right on your belt if you don't want to carry this holster, which you can clip that on your belt. And you just have your shears right with you. So that's a pretty cool deal there, I think. And it goes in like that. So there's these. I like these as well because I think it's always important to be prepared. Next, what we got next? We got an Uplula Universal Magazine Pistol Loader. And basically it's just one of those pistol loaders. You put it on your mag. Well, you know what? Why not, right? Let's take a look at it. Instead of me potentially dulling that blade, let me just get my old Emerson out and we'll see how well this thing works. Might as well, right? So let's see. So it says it's universal. No more pain, Maglula. Let's see. I just happen to have a spare mag right here. Let's dump a few of them out and see how she works. You want to? There's a few of them. So let's see what it says here. I don't even know how to use this thing. Loading as shown. So we put this thing goes here. Okay, it's really simple. It's got this little thing here that pushes them down. So basically you put it in like that, you squeeze it, you push it down, you put your other round in, lift it up, push it down. You see that? Push it down, push your round in, lift it up, push it down. So it's pretty handy. Now I know you're going to say, I can just use my thumbs, and you can. But if you're taking a training class or you're doing a lot of shooting, I don't care how tough your thumbs are, they're going to get sore at the end of the day. So if your thumbs never get sore, you're not loading a lot of magazines. So that's the Uplula mag loader. I got to say, I like that one. I like it a lot. Now, what's next? Man, I'm running out of place to put my trash. Let's just grab something next. Oh, look at this. This is pretty cool. This is a Crate Club poncho liner. Otherwise often known as a Woobie. Now I gotta say, I did a video about a Woobie, said something about I love my Woobie, and somebody, apparently with a little bit of an attitude is like, what do you mean Woobie? It's a poncho liner. Like, I don't know, I was never in the military, but I know a lot of people who were, and almost all of them call this a Woobie. So anyway, this one's pretty cool. It's got a zipper on it, and it's 100% ripstop polyester shell and 100% polyester batten, and just a nice poncho liner that you can use like a sleeping bag. So pretty cool there. We'll set that over here. All right, so next we got a Kong case, which is a really nice waterproof case, kind of similar to like a Pelican case. And let's see, this one is about the size. It's a little bigger than an ammo box. Open here, open here, open here, and it's got this this pick and pull liner that you can cut. You can cut it out to. You can put camera lenses in here. Anything you want to protect, you can put in here, and it'll keep it protected. You can pull this stuff out to fit the dimensions of whatever you're trying to protect. So there's that. That's pretty cool. This one is 12 by 10 by 8 inches, and the inner size is 9.25 by 7.28 by 7.32 inches. It is shock resistant, dust and water protection level IP67. So not bad there. What's next? We got a couple more things in here. First, we have this single pistol mount, and this is it here. And what this thing does is, let me just take it out of here for you. And this one is a, you mount this piece here wherever you want to put your pistol. This is more like not for security, it's for access. So you can put this kind of like on a Picatinny rail, sort of, however you want it there. Then you screw this into here, like so. Then you can angle this however you want to. Let's see. Tighten that up, and we loosen that up. And you can put your pistol barrel down on there, so just like that. So this is called the Madhouse Design GCS pistol. And you can actually get longer rails and put a bunch of these together and you can have your choice of pistols if you're John Wick. So there's that. Finally, one more thing in here. Oh, and it's heavy. Speaking of pistol mounting, this is not for security. This is for access. This is for access and security. It's a speed vault. And basically, you can mount your pistol in here, and you don't mount the pistol. You mount the box. Actually, let's see, the vault. So you mount the vault on the wall, whatever. It's got a little key here, and it also has a code up here. So we're gonna use the key because I don't want to take your time to program the code. Then you open it up, and your pistol fits right in here and just comes out where you can get it. You can mount it to a wall. You can mount it to the side. You can mount it several different ways. But then you either use a key or use a code, which means if you need it, bam, there it is. You can. Oh. I like having a key for all these electronic things, just in case I forget the code or the battery runs dead or whatever. It just pops open and you can get your pistol out there. So pretty cool, I think. So some pretty cool stuff here in this box. And then there's supposed to be one more thing. Oh, there is. And here's one more thing in here. Save the this for last. It's a Spartan multi-use EDC fire tender. I actually did a video on this stuff, and I had high hopes for it. And it didn't work as well as I hoped it would when it was wet. I'm sure it works pretty good just as a fire starter, but anyway, you can check that video out. I like it because it'll fit in your wallet or whatever, and it's certainly better than just a piece of paper. I'll put it that way. So that's all I'll say about that. So anyway, that is the Crate Club general latest for the last quarter. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you're interested in that, I'll put a link into the video description below. And I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos like this one throughout the week. I'd like to invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe and get signed up for my weekly email newsletter so you don't miss a single one. And we can stay in touch in case, YouTube decides they don't like me no more. So anyway, I really appreciate your support once again. My name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.